Are you a business owner that does not use Facebook to grow your business? If so, I want to talk to you. Tools for success so that you can propel your business forward using the power of social media. So welcome to becoming your own business manager for Facebook course. Become empowered to really manage your own social media platforms, because I'm going to give you the tips and tricks and strategies, everything that I used to generate over 100K of income, of sales for 3 years in a row. Who is your ideal client? By building your customer avatar. And so you will learn to research your ideal client and how to communicate and connect with them. Remember that all we want to be doing is providing value on social media and then asking for a sale. Create a buying environment through your social media, and I'll show you how to create a social media strategy, how to create compelling graphics, how to use Facebook marketing ads to generate leads and receive messages from potential clients, right? So the days of cold calling clients are done. Now you can really focus on social media to grow your business. And I'll show you strategically how to do that.